question regarding the additional soul on Shabbos. So does this additional soul also come down to those in the process of conversion?
No, it does not. And Lerner Michtav Meliyahu Rabbi Dessler Zatzal, so about the Jews, and it says, what if the person does not feel like it's like that new soul is coming into him? And you know what he said? It's like one of the scariest things that I ever read in my life. You know what it means? That soul does not come down. For some people, it does not. That's why they don't feel. Right? Because they do not deserve. They not. There is no for this place to be. You understand? For something like if you want to invite somebody as a guest, right? So you have to prepare a room, or at least couch, or something like the folding bed, something for that person to sleep, right? If you did not prepare the room, the person comes and say, okay, there's no more room for me to sleep. You want to sleep outside of your apartment and on a bench, so I better go to somewhere else. So that's my personal explanation to what Rabbi Dessler Zatzal said. So soul comes and person is not ready. There is no holiness, so it just goes back. So he said, and if you don't feel, guess what? Because it did not come down, which is very scary. Right? And one of the saddest things that clowns say, no, you have to eat more. You have to eat more because you have a second soul, and right on Shabbos, and everybody giggles, this and that. And to all of the clowns, we always say, that this soul, it's a spiritual soul, that it does not get the nourishment from a physical food, right? It gets nourishment from only from Torah, from holy things. So opposite is true, right? When person eats a lot, for example, and heavy food. Me personally, I never. Everybody like cholent. Maybe I always like a little cholent, but I never eat it. Never. It's such a heavy food. Like if you eat on the Shabbos day, you're going to fall asleep. You're not going to be able to learn Torah. You understand? So we also eat like something hot. We eat soup, something like light. So like I don't want to fall asleep. I don't sleep enough during the week. So if I eat something heavy on Shabbos day, I'm going to fall asleep. I don't sleep. It's a given, right? And the second soul can actually help you to understand the deeper things that you could never understand during the weekdays. Why? Because it's pure holiness. So take advantage when you have a guest like that. So don't let it go, right? Don't eat salad together or fish together. Try to learn Torah together and see how this all is going to affect you, help you. That's the goal. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Who else?